Hi guys! Welcome back to my kitchen. I feel like every time I make a video, I'm wearing a bathrobe. Promise you, I own clothes, okay? But anyway, I just did my skincare. It's pretty late, but I have a mask on. That's why I'm wearing a bathrobe, so that when I wash my face again, when I rinse this off, I don't wet my clothes. Anyway, I have the Sanitas Cranberry Lactic fruit enzyme on my face right now for 10 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it off. Honestly, sometimes I leave it on longer. I get all my Sanitas skincare from Freezeco Beauty. This is not a sponsored video. I love saying that. This is not a sponsored video because I feel like I'm a big YouTuber. But anyway, actually, I'm gonna show you what's for lunch. I just pulled it out of the oven. Look, it's the bacon chicken wrapped chicken with jalapeno and cream cheese. I received this package 2 days ago. She's always so fast at shipping. All the products that she has on her website are pretty much medical grade that you can only buy at your dermatologist or online websites like hers. And I recently stocked up on my favorite. I only got 4 items and these are stock ups. Okay, let me just show you before I eat lunch. She always has this personalized note. I think she wraps all this herself. So see, Shine, thank you so much. I'm like a teacher. Thank you so much for your continued support. I love following your keto journey. Keep killing it. XOXO Christine. Who does that, right? I love Christine. Freezeco Beauty. So I ordered, if I drop this, I'm gonna cry. Okay, I got 2 of the retinol spot treatment because I love this so much. I was iffy about this product when, Ben Fuchs announced this. I love True Treatment products, but when he announced this one, I was like, what is the point of this one? This is so pricey, it's useless, blah, 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 blah. And then she gave me a sample of this on my last order, and I am hooked. So I got 2 so that I have a backup. I currently am still working on the sample that she gave me. And then I ordered 2 of my favorite moisturizer right now. I keep switching back and forth. She knows this. Last time my favorite one was the vitamin C, and then the Vita Rich from Sanitas. But I love Sanitas. I love Truth Treatment, but currently this is my favorite summertime moisturizer. Sanitas Natural Moisture Factor. It's very light and it's moisturizing. So that's all the 4 items I got from Freezeco Beauty. And now, today I'm also unboxing the Vitamix because my NutriBullet, guys, it's like a lawnmower. It's super loud. So I am unboxing Vitamix and I'm gonna show you what's in the box, and maybe we'll make a smoothie together. Yes, but I'm gonna have to wash this off and eat lunch. Yum. Hi guys, so I am back. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna do the unboxing of this Vitamix blender. Let's do this. This is the Vitamix Explorian E320 plus PCA. I am super excited. I received this probably 1 week now, and it's just been sitting in our kitchen because I really wanted to do the unboxing with you. So, oh, so hard. Can you just appreciate that I'm not wearing bathrobe anymore? Okay, so it comes like this. Okay, so this is the Vitamix Explorian E320. We got it at Costco. $399.99, but they were having $100 off, so $299.99. Not bad, right? And I don't know anything about Vitamix. I haven't owned anything from Vitamix, but from what I've read, Vitamix is a good brand. So this is what it comes with. Individual plastic that covers, that protects each of the cups, but it was so nice. They were individually wrapped, super protected. All right guys, now I'm going to show you what came in the Vitamix Explorian E320 plus PCA package. Now obviously this is the base. This is the actual Vitamix blender. This is the adapter for the 220-ounce personal cup. This is 2 of the lid that comes with it, and the, I don't know what this is for. I think this is for like if you have like to mix the food right here like that. I don't know what it's called though. Mixer. So yeah, pretty neat. And then like I said, it comes with recipes for, this is for the blender, and this is for the getting started, how to use, guide on what to use, how to use it, how to clean it. So yeah, let's start to, I'm actually just really interested in these 2 cups because my NutriBullet is so loud, really loud, like a lawnmower, super loud, no exaggeration. So this is what I'm really interested in. So I'm gonna try to figure this out. It says, put the seals. 2 seals are supplied with your purchase. Refer to page 5 for more. I'm really not the person to figure things out.
Sure, I understand.
What? Siri, I'm not talking to you. Anyway, okay, so it says here, the adapter, do not use to heat ingredients or blend hot liquid. Okay, so I think you put it like this, or like this. Obviously this is gonna have your smoothies in here, You don't want to tilt it like that. So like this. Okay. And then you secure it, and then you tilt everything here, right? And then you pulse it. And it has, I'm gonna show you what once we make a smoothie, maybe tomorrow I'll make a smoothie. It comes with, I don't know, maybe, I'm guessing this is the pulse. This is the level of how much power you want. It goes from 1 through 10. And then, what is this, 0 to, oh, on and off. So, I'm guessing, right? I'm guessing this is the pulse, like, dude, and then 1 through 10, and then on and off. Neat. And I get 2. I'm so happy. Okay. Yeah. So there's that. Tomorrow I'm gonna wash these. I'm gonna wash this tonight, and then tomorrow when I make my smoothie, we're gonna use this and test this out for the first time, and then the next day I am going to test my regular smoothie and let you hear. Oh, I'm actually gonna test how loud this is compared to my very loud lawnmower NutriBullet. So that is it for the unboxing of this Vitamix E320 Explorian. Seriously guys, I am really excited to make my smoothie for tomorrow, my keto smoothie. But I hope you find this helpful if you are interested. And like I said, this was $100 off of the regular price from Costco, and of course Costco has the best return policy, and this has 7 years warranty. And like I said, besides that, Costco is just amazing with their return policy. I saw a YouTuber where they had a Vitamix and they were at the end of that warranty, and they were hoping, you know, they just asked, they just walked there without the box, and they were just, you know, they were ready to buy another Vitamix because they just really like Vitamix. And they just asked, hey, I was wondering if this was still covered, but if not, you know, we're just gonna buy another one. And then the lady looked it up, and then she said, oh yeah, you know, actually it's good. The warranty is good until next month. I think they had the Vitamix for almost like, you know, another month, and then it's gonna expire. And they replaced it, no questions asked, no box. So Costco is awesome. So yeah, definitely if you're interested to see how this performs, check out my video next time, or the video after this. All right, I hope you guys have a good day, good night, whenever you are watching this. But yeah, stay safe guys. Bye.